Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Today we have more sneak peeks of our brand new box of the month, Lazy Day box. This box is packed full of cuteness. So I'm going to color up some of the images today. I'll play some music so you can enjoy it, but let me give you some information about the box first. So I did end up tweaking the dates a little bit, so you'll be able to purchase this box up until April 26th or while supplies last. We are going to kick off a YouTube hop with lots of inspiration for you on this box on April 7th at 11 a.m. Central. So come join us for the fun. We'll have a giveaway, we'll share everything that's in the box and give you lots of ideas. Now you can purchase this box as a one-time purchase, or you can select monthly as your frequency. That will get you into the Box of the Month Club. You'll get a new box every month. There'll be a different theme, and we'll always have inspiration for you. The design team will be working with the boxes each month, providing lots of ideas. The benefits for joining the Box of the Month Club: you'll get an extra 5% off your box. So you'll see that discount when you add the box to your shopping cart. Now the box is already discounted 10% off, but you'll get an extra 5% when you join the club. There's also some other perks that will be coming. So if you are in the Box of the Month Club, you will have access to special sales and discounts throughout the time that you are a member of the Box of the Month Club. I will also be throwing in a special gift at your 6-month anniversary. So if you stay with the club for 6 months, you'll get an extra gift in your box. I will be shipping the box priority mail, so the cost of shipping is $8. This item must be shipped by itself. I do have a shipping calculator for international orders if you're curious about how much it costs to ship this box. And I will ship the box shortly after your purchase. The May box will go on sale on May 1st. So each month we're going to have a different theme. This month's theme is all about relaxing, me time. These cards will be perfect to send to someone to remind them to take a break, get a little me time. So I hope you enjoy the coloring and the rest of the video, and I will chat with you real soon. Bye guys.